What is going on, Shib Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today we're going to talk about the overall cryptocurrency market, a partnership that I'm actually looking forward to for Shiba INU, and just my overall thoughts of what's been going on lately. We are seeing a continuous pullback. It seems like we want to rebound, but then the bears keep coming out and the bulls are not able to take off. Some really short-term catalysts. In the next 5 days, we have the B-Word conference. It's going to be all about Bitcoin, and we have some big speakers, of course. So I think after that day, slowly but surely, hopefully we're going to start seeing that next bull run, maybe end of July, beginning of August. Now, of course, with Shiba INU also continuously pulling back, it's painful to see. And those who are paper hands are definitely selling out of their positions. Pulled all the way back to 661 Satoshi units. A decent recovery now. But again, we're still in that bearish phase. Of course, for me, all I'm doing is holding on for dear life. Because guys, regardless of the market conditions, I'm still making money. How are you still making money, YourPOP? Well, let me show you. Before I do so, I do want to mention in the description below, you can go ahead and click the link to get 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just like that from Webull. So go ahead and join Webull, guys. Get your free stocks. If you don't like the brokerage, take your money and go. But I think most of you will be pretty happy with what you see. And hey, a Shiba INU listing is imminent for Webull. I am so sure that it's going to happen. I've been talking to some of the marketing heads over there, and they told me that they're working on figuring out how to do it. But again, when you deposit an initial amount of $5, you get 2 free stocks between $11 at the very minimum. So you're gonna make double your money automatically at the very minimum, up to $2,300. So please take advantage of this time and get your free stocks, folks. I do appreciate the love and support because again, it does support the channel because I get 1 free stock as well. So pause the video, do that, and then come back and go ahead and watch. ShibaSwap. Today is the day that we're going to see the returns on the swap. So all of those of us who were initially who put money into the burying or staking pool, we know that there's I have 112 million tokens currently buried, and in one day, the next 24 hours, we're going to see those returns finally. So I'm super excited to share that with you guys, of course. And again, when we're looking at just the liquidity pool, been making money. So that's how I've been making money. In a bearish market, money is still being made, folks. 222 bones currently accumulated. So again, you guys know I love to do the math. 222 times $4.16. Quickly pull up a calculator. 222 times $4.16. $923 made extremely passively, no effort whatsoever. Just created a liquidity pool pair, put it in the pool, and making it work. That's the best part of investing, is when you can make money passively. $1.86 billion locked. Guys, that's not a number we can just toss around. We are going to become, hopefully one day, the #1 swap exchange, decentralized exchange in the entire world. I have conviction, I have belief, but remember, one big disclaimer before I talk about today's video and the token that I want to mention in terms of the partnership with Shib. Guys, remember, I am not a financial advisor. This here is probably the most risky thing that I've talked about. I actually put out a poll to make sure that, hey, do people actually want me to make a video about it? Because of again, right now it's extremely volatile and its market cap is super low. But the fact is, I always want to put you guys on the plays that I'm in, and that's what I'm doing today. So of course, do your own research and due diligence before you make the decision to invest into what I'm going to talk about. So I asked on a poll, 1.5 thousand people responded, and I asked Grapefruit video, 52% said yes, 48% said no. So it's pretty equal, half and half. But the fact that there was a little bit more yeses than nos made me think, okay, I will go ahead and make a video, and I hope people, again, at least do their own research and due diligence about it, because I think there's some potential money to be had here, at least in the short term, because we have in about 6 more days a big announcement that's going to be made with a partnership regarding Shiba INU and Grapefruit coin. Now, what the heck is Grapefruit coin, people might ask? So Grapefruit, guys, it is a token that is developed by Kai Green. He's one of the bigger influencers within the Shiba INU community. He's a bodybuilder, a man who has, a pretty decent track record, was Mr. Olympia once upon a time. Again, pretty substantial dude. But you guys can see on their website, there's really not much information quite yet. So they say, what is Grapefruit coin? Grapefruit coin on the surface may seem to be a novel coin, but much like a superfruit, it is indeed a super coin. It represents the power of progress with a keen eye on highlighting cancel culture and understanding how your past can haunt you. However, the ability to transcend is not lost. This is a redemption story for those willing to seek it. So again, they're up and coming, very new. Kai Green did develop this. And again, the reason I mention it is the fact that they're partnering with Shiba INU. And what do I think this partnership might look like? Next week when it's announced. Possibly they actually might be making a liquidity pair. So a Grapefruit, Shib, or Grapefruit, Ethereum, whatever it might be, some sort of pair to be used on the swap. And if that happens, I think that this thing can start running at an exponential rate. So you guys can see right here on the screen where the price action is. Right here, right now, really, it's been decent consolidation, nothing too definitive in my opinion. Again, we're looking just at the 15-minute chart. So if you zoom out here, again, really, when it comes to rug pulls and things like that, I would not consider this a rug pull. And that's the reason why I'm talking about it. But it can very well be. I don't know 100%. I'm backing this thing for one reason only, because of the fact they're partnering with Shiba INU. So you guys can see here, it has a $44.582 million market cap. That is a microscopic market cap for a cryptocurrency. That is extremely small. So what does that mean? There's going to be a lot of volatility. So I know that, again, guys, I always want to put you guys on the plays that I'm in, and I'm going to repeat this over and over again. For those of you who already invested, congratulations if you've seen gains. I did buy in, full transparency. I mentioned it on the live stream. I mentioned it via the elite members chat as well, to make sure that they were on even before I did the live stream. But one thing you have to consider is we don't know what truly the utility is going to be and what partnership is going to look like with Shiba INU. So just quick here, if we pull up Twitter and pull up Grapefruit, they actually were supposed to announce this yesterday, and that's why I was steering away from actually creating a content or video about it. But you guys can see that the community update white paper, we are awaiting approval on the tech integration software that can be added, thus providing a better contract structure for volume exchanges. So again, that is of July 12th or July 10th, and then they give a community. Please reference the prior tweet. We're still waiting for the white paper, which will tell us, hey, does this thing have potential or not? But the big thing I want to mention is, per Kai Green's tweet, he said announcement postponed. So again, the announcement was supposed to be yesterday, Thursday, July 15th, but it was postponed till next Thursday. And he said, sorry to leave you guys in suspense. This just got even better. Next Thursday, July 22nd at 1:15 Eastern Standard Time, hashtag Shib, hashtag ShibaSwap. So we don't know what that truly means. All you guys should know is Grapefruit, there's a bunch of followers, including the one and only Shytoshi Kusama. And yes, if you click it, it's the legitimate real Shytoshi. So me doing not a very in-depth DD or due diligence, I identify that Grapefruit is volatile. It's something that is a very high risk, almost like a gamble. In my opinion, not a gamble, but a high risk play. But I want to make sure you guys are aware of this one, because in my opinion, if it's true that it becomes a pair, Grapefruit token with one of the things from Shiba Inu's ecosystem, or something that has the ability to be paired into the liquidity pool, we can easily see this thing rise probably 5x, 10x. So I'm talking a 500 to 1000% return in a very short amount of time. So with that being said, I invested. Full transparency, I invested, and you guys can see my position size. Let's go over, and you can actually buy this thing directly from Shiba, from the swap. So swap tokens, you guys can see here, let's go ahead and show you. GRP, I think it is, right? Grapefruit. You guys can see, let's go ahead and import. I understand. My current position size is, I don't even know what that number is. Let's see, 50,000, 750,000, 5.7 million, 757 million. Billion, is that 21 billion 757 million? No, 2,175,750,000, I believe, tokens. So again, I established a pretty decent position size. So again, full transparency. But I'll tell you guys as well, as soon as this might be one of those opportunities to buy the rumor, sell the news, again, for a short-term flip. But we'll let you guys know exactly what I'm doing. So make sure you're joining on the live stream, subscribe to the channel, like the video. I'm super excited regardless. The overall market's pulling back. We're making money. When the market is green, we're making even more money. You guys know that's what we're all about passive income. So thank you so much for everybody's love and support. You guys have been nothing but phenomenal. So thank you for tuning in. I'll be on later for a live stream. So until then, everybody, keep investing.